tell the story. Okay, you are going to tell the climax. What is the climax? Ending. Okay, maybe it is happy ending or sad ending. You are going to tell the ending of the story. End of the story. Okay, I am going to tell the story. Okay, so half of the story everything you read now. One small recap on the story. Okay, lesson number 2. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, Little Red Riding Hood is a small girl living in a village in a dense forest. Okay, so she is living with her parents and grandparents happy forest. So on the other end of the forest, the grandmother is living on the other end of the forest. So one day, usually the grandma gave a red hood to the little girl. Okay, often she used to wear the red hood when she is going out from the home. One day what happened? She is planning to meet the grandmother. She heard that grandmother was very ill. The little girl's mother is preparing food and medicines to give her grandmother. She prepared and gave the food and medicines to a little girl. She is taking her medicines and food to give the grandmother on the other end of the forest. She is living in the other end of the forest. He is telling, the mother is giving advice like what your mother is giving, like what our mothers do. Okay, what advice she is giving? What the one advice our mother will give when you are going out? Yes, Amelia.
Our mom said don't talk with unknown person.
Very good. Unknown person, anonymous person. We should not talk to a strangers. Like the same here, the mother is giving advice to a little girl. Okay, don't talk to the anonymous person. Go in a correct way. Okay, so she is carrying the medicine and food for the grandma. Okay, for the grandma. What happened when she is walking in the forest? Suddenly, a wolf came. A wolf came. Okay, the wolf have a plan to eat a little girl. The wolf have a plan to eat a little girl. Okay, the little girl don't know the plan of wolf. Okay, she is walking very casual in the forest, and suddenly what happened? The wolf came and asked the little girl, "What is her name?" Okay, so the girl is telling her name and what is the reason why she is carrying food and medicines. Okay, so like that everything she is telling her story to the wolf. What the wolf said? The wolf told, "Okay, you are a very kind and kind-hearted girl. You are a very good girl. Okay, you take the food and medicines carefully. Okay, to her and give your grandmother like that." The wolf is also talking to the little girl in a very casual way. Okay, then what happened? Okay, now the wolf is naturally what is the nature of wolf? Clever and cunning. Yes, clever and cunning. Okay, so what the wolf planned now? So the little girl is the wolf is giving an idea to a little girl. Okay, just you pluck the beautiful flowers from the plants. Okay, here, so it will cure the illness of your grandmother. Okay, the wolf is giving her some remedy for the illness. Okay, the little girl believed the wolf, and she started plucking the flowers from the plants. Okay, and at the time of gap, the wolf reached the other end of forest because she got the wolf get the details of the granny's house. No, so now wolf reached the other end of the forest to a granny's place. Okay, now like wolf is knocking the door. Wolf is knocking the grandmother's door. Okay, it's very excitement, no? Very thrilling. What is going to happen next? You don't know, right? Okay, the wolf is knocking the grandmother's door. Okay, the grandmother and the wolf is talking like a little girl's voice. The wolf changed its voice like a little girl. Okay, Granny, I came here with the food and medicines. Please open the door. Like that, the wolf is giving a voice. Okay, Granny is opening the door. Okay, so now what happened? You are going to tell the climax. Okay. Yes, Vikshek.
And then the granny will open the door, and then the wolf will suddenly jump over and grab the granny asked that why is your teeth so big?
Okay,
and
very
then
good.
the wolf told, so that I can eat you. And then the wolf was coming to attack the little girl, and then and then she shouted, "Help! Help! Someone help me!" And then one woodcutter was cutting the wood near that house, and then the woodcutter came and attacked the wolf and saved.
Start.
Then the grandmother opened the door and the wolf catched the grandmother, and then the grandmother attacked to the wolves, and then the wolf has going to be run, and then from the back the little Red Riding Hood came. By seeing the wolf, she is asking about that what you are doing here in near my grandmother's house. So the grandmother told that he is going to eating me. So don't do like that. To tell to anyone that where you are going and what you are going to do, and where is your owners and where is your parents' house.
Okay, very good. Class? Very good. You all gave an excellent climax. Some of you gave happy ending, some of you ended the story with a sad ending. Okay, it's very thrilling excitement. Okay, thrilling climax. Okay, this is the methodology. Climax by the students. Is it that interested or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you enjoying